Good afternoon. Stay to video today movie Titanic. Beginning is start where the protagonist winning a poker game in with the money he goes out to the Titanic. The protagonist heads and they bond with her shoes. Con- Noah, Conat, Noat, the protagonists meet during a trip on the Titanic, fall in love I fight with Rose in murder and fiancé would do no man to say they she gathered because they are from different social class. In the Titanic crashes into a huge iceberg and they see begins to sink as the protagonists start together I was entered I love you wind for help to arrest the protagonist dies and she survives today this story I'm fulfilled I care dreams with overcoming I day I chances. Why did Julian avoid the movie? In this movie what I learned is that for I love you there is nothing is important. When did they feel my you felt it made me feel sad to watch so many people die. What does the movie relate to the academic program you are studying? Is related because in this movie happiness scenes are observed. There, there are different emotions. Another in the for the movie could be a happy ending where he had supervised and married Rose and they had family. Thank you.